Good morning, students. Welcome to the ICSE Class. Today's class is the continuation of the previous class. Where is chapter number 5, Natural and Man-made Disaster. Today I am going to teach the topic floods. Flood occurs when a sudden influx of water submerged land and posing a great threat to life and property. It also submerges towns, villages and farmland. When the flood occurs, it also washes away the top layer of the soil and it thus makes it infertile. Means that the fertility of the soil is completely washed by the flood. And it also affects the people who are living in the low-lying areas. They move to a safer place, and when once the water recedes or come down, they come back to their house. That they can see that all their belongings have been damaged, and all the crops have been ruined or spoiled or destroyed, and this flood affects very severely to the old people, because often they may find themselves unable to move to a safer place. Floods are mainly caused by the overflowing of rivers in the monsoon. This is known as riverian flood. Have you seen the word riverian flood? And due to the southwest monsoon, most of the rivers in the country are flooded and bring lot of destruction to the low-lying areas in the northern part of the country. It also brings a huge loss to life and property, and the top layers of the soil get washed away by the floods. In the floodplain areas of Ganga, Brahmaputra and Mahanadi are also affected by the floods. In 2017, a flood-like situation occurred in Mumbai. Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India, because there are so many industries and business establishments are there. And this flood occurred in Mumbai, brought a lot of destruction to the normal life. The government had to shut down schools and colleges, and the suburban railway came to a halt. It also affects the lives of 20 million people in Mumbai. Just now we have seen floods are caused by the monsoon, but there are also other reasons for the causing of a flood. These reasons, let us see. The first is that the breach of dams. If the dams are broken, that also causes flood. Or if the dams are overflowing, that also causes flood. And another is that heavy tides due to cyclones. So this is happens near to the coastal areas. And another is that changes in the course of rivers, means due to earthquake. If there is any changes in the course or in the direction of rivers, that may also cause a flood. And another is that when there is a sudden melting of huge mass of snow, means when there is a melting of huge mass snow, that also causes flood. So these are the other reasons of flood. Cyclones means these are a strong wind accompanied by the heavy rainfall. This is mainly occurs in the low pressure areas on the water bodies, and whenever it is occurs, it takes the shape of a oval shape or a circular shape, and these are usually accompanied by heavy rainfall also, and the velocity or the speed of cyclone is 300 km per hour, and a storm tides occurs also do a lot of damage. India has a very long coastline, nearly 7,000 kilometers. So often cyclones occurs in the Bay of Bengal as well as in the Arabian Sea. The next topic that I am going to explain is drought. Drought means insufficient rainfall, means very less rainfall is getting in a region, or having no rainfall for a long period of time. That is known as drought. And due to this drought, the region faces many problems. First is that crop failure, and another is that shortage of food, means if farmers are not able to cultivate anything, no grains are available, which will create a shortage of food and fodder and employment, means people have no work to do there, because this is mainly taking place or happens in the primary sector or in the agricultural activities. No work is possible there because no water is available there, and migrating to other places means as there is no work in agricultural sector, people may face many problems because they have no work. They may move to other places for work. And again, so let us say that what are the reasons of drought? Here many causes I have written. The first you see that the deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down the trees are known as deforestation. And second causes is the misuse of groundwater, means nowadays the groundwater is drawn excessively by using the borewell. That also will make a shortage of groundwater. And third is that unscientific agriculture. Unscientific agriculture is also another cause, means that the shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation means this is mainly practiced by the tribals, means cutting down the trees and take the cultivation, and due to this the forest coverage also decreases, and the certain states in our country faces a shortage of water, and examples of many states I have given here. Example like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Odisha. Now let us see the other kinds of disasters. So here one example I have given. They are known as man-made disaster. This is mainly caused by the human act, maybe intentionally or unintentionally. First of all, we can see that certain examples of disaster caused by the human being unintentionally, or we can say that by mistake it happens. Examples are that leakage of gas from a chemical factory and fire in a restaurant. These two are the examples of the disaster caused by the human being unintentionally. And let us see the other examples of the disaster caused by human being intentionally or knowingly. So here for example is that planned nuclear explosion or bomb explosion. So this is another example of the disaster caused by the human being intentionally. And whenever it takes place, it causes human suffering and gives a lot of disturbance to life and property, means it happens loss of human life and destruction of property.